Bioluminescence, a motion capture-based audiovisual installation. Bioluminescence is an interactive art installation that immerses users in the dynamic interplay of space, sound, and light. It replicates the beauty of a bioluminescence sea sparkle, inviting users to engage through expected gestures. The installation features an innovative ocean drum equipped with acoustic tracking and inertial tracking systems, including an IMU sensor and a lavalier microphone. Users control unique sounds and lighting effects by tapping or tilting the drum. The drum stand design includes a stable deltoid curved wooden board with a self-adjusting clips, a 2 to 3 foot PVC pole, and a heavy-duty wooden base. A compression spring enhances responsiveness, allowing dynamic reactions to motion. Assembly with a lavalier microphone and an IMU sensor chip offers a stable platform for potential interactive design. Sound playback in the Chip Davis Technology Studio utilizes a cutting-edge 3D immersive audio system supporting ambisonic diffusion. The ICST ambisonics tools for Macs optimize the ambisonic system, including DSP objects for encoding and decoding, a graphical interface, and a trajectory control object for precise spatial positioning. Interaction design seamlessly integrates natural movements with drumming actions. Tapping mimics conventional techniques, while tilting activates users to observe metal beats, creating ocean wave-like sounds. The natural sound of rolling beats is live processed in Max with pitch modulation effect. Gyro data and accelerometer readings of IMU capture and measure movements and contribute to the immersive auditory experience, including filtering white noise and spatializing ambisonic sounds, blurring the line between virtual and real. Visual feedback through an RGB LED stream displays a dynamic lighting effects in response to taps and tilting. Sensors capture user movements for a consistent and engaging experience. Bioluminescence harmoniously blends space, sound, and light, inviting users to explore the mesmerizing world of bioluminescence through interactive art.